thought you knew that I did this. You can have him, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shifted. Like a whole brand new bussin'. Bitch, I'm bussin'. I feel like a whole.
Good morning, beautiful people. We got our first, well, I mean, it's not the first snow of 2020 because it probably snowed in January, but we got snow. Hey, snow. Headed to work. It ain't no real snow. Like, it's real snow, but it ain't like the streets type snow, you know. Giving you teacher realness again today. Didn't get a chance to OOTD because I had to come out here in the cold and start my car so I could be ready to go. Oh, where are you at? Be ready to go. Ooh. Almost slipped on the curb. It's pretty dangerous because these are not no snow boots. Had an interesting night. Trying to process that and decide how I feel. But we're gonna have a good day. We're not gonna let things that we can't control mess that up. So, off to work. Off to work. 2 more days before winter break. And you know, gonna continue on this positive path I've been on for the last couple weeks. Been doing good, feeling good. Ooh. Doing good, feeling good. Not gonna allow that to slow down because she's been putting in work and I'm going to reap the benefits of my work, which is consistent positivity. Yup. But anyway, happy Wednesday. It's hump day. No. I did once upon a time and then I started teaching. If y'all can see the claps and the girl.
Alright, so we're going to do our family videos and then we'll touch our bathroom break early because Ms. Longhorn is not here yet.
Alright, so it's the end of the school day. About to go down here for dismissal. And I'm gonna go to Walgreens. I'm gonna go to Old Navy and see if they have any cute Christmas pajamas for me and the girls. Because they want to build gingerbread houses and make cookies, which I want to do with them next. I'm planning on doing with them next week. So I'm gonna go see if they have matching pajamas for us and get those before I go in the house. Because once I go in the house, she doesn't like to really leave. So, end of the day, let's go shopping. Not that I need to spend any money, but what is she gonna do? Spend money. So I plan to take out, ooh, the sun. Oh my God, look at her skin. Oh my God. Yes. Hey, girl. Anyway, I planned on taking y'all in the store with me, but this big ass coat, I could barely move, trying to hold my purse. It was just a lot. So we got it. So I'm gonna try it on at home to see if mine fit and hopefully the girls will fit. And I basically just got the same one for my family because we do matching pajamas on Christmas as well. And I'm like, well, shit, if I ain't gotta spend double, why not? Oh my God, my skin in the sun. Oh my God. What in the God's creation? But anyway, my mom wants something very specific for Christmas this year. So I'm trying to put a twist of actual like traditional Christmas with what my mother wants. So I have to go stop by their house and see if she even likes these bottoms, and then I'll figure out the rest from there. So we'll be doing. Oh, and I need to go to Walgreens because I went grocery shopping this weekend and didn't get no bread. Like, what? Not that I really need bread, but I want to have burgers tonight, so I need some type of bun. And we got tots, so that's what I'm planning for dinner. You know, real basic. She's not a chef. She don't like to cook. Her menu is extremely limited. So if you're looking for a bitch that can cook, it ain't me. I'm so sorry. I don't have a patience for a lot of things, but I really don't have patience for cooking. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And oh, I gotta get day 2 loaded. Like it was rendering as I was leaving work, so it finished rendering, but now I need to upload it to YouTube, so I need to really like hurry up and get that up quickly. But yeah, it's the end of the day. The sun is just kissing me, and I think I'm just recording for that simple fact because God's work, you know, God's work. Them days where you be feeling like or meh, and then you get kissed by the sun, you be like, good God, look at that motherfucker right there. God's work. All right, I'm out. That was a lot. So I just finished editing. I edited the Vlogmas for yesterday. Yeah, today's Wednesday, so Tuesday yesterday. Then I had a copyright claim, so I had to go back, re-edit, take out the copyright claim part, re-render it, re-upload it. Finally got that uploaded with the right descriptions and whatnot in the box. And then I had my friend who is designing me some flyers for these classes I'm about to begin promoting, which I'm trying to figure out how to promote them because they're kind of like back to back to back, but it's 3 different classes, and I don't want people to get confused, and I'm gonna have like a lot of questions, so I'm like overanalyzing, and then I'm like doubting. So it's a lot happening in the mental right now, but we just finished designing those. She designed them, and I made a couple tweaks, and I want to make sure she's okay with the tweaks that I made because you gotta make sure you credit the creative, and these are her designs. I literally did like move some shit around, but she designed these, so I want to make sure she's okay with the minimal changes that I made. So hopefully I can post the first one tomorrow. Hopefully you guys want to like come on these classes. And yeah, so tomorrow's Thursday, the last day the kids will be in school before winter break. And then Friday we have day-to-day, which we just break down everything that has happened throughout the semester, different trainings and whatnot. And then I actually have to go to the school to help probably put together curriculum, or Q3 curriculum is what I feel like I'll be doing on Friday. And yeah, I'm feeling good. I know I said this morning I had like a little hiccup, and I was like trying not to, you know, wasn't gonna let that shadow over my mood, and I did not. I feel good. I feel great. I feel great. Feel good. How are you? So yeah, that is gonna wrap up week 3, day 2 of Vlogmas. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Ice cold in this bitch. Ice cold in this bitch.